Hello YouTube, I'm here with another unboxing. I just got another Gemini Jets here, and it's a Delta plane this time. So 767-300. So I'm gonna be unboxing this thing. Yes, now let's start. So front, you get a picture of it. This is the old box, because the one I got over there, it's a 2013 release. It does not look like this. This is old box here. See the plane. All this fancy stuff. Registration in 140LL, and pretty much everything here and the back. Another one of those. So yes, let's get into the plane. This is Delta's old library, and so, yeah. Here is the plane. You got Delta, a registration, and Delta again with their old library and everything. Wings very small, engines, and kind of under the plane you have landing gear. That one right there is a little bit messed up there, but it's okay. And then you have your front with the black nose, and yes, it's a good model. It's only got $20 off Amazon, so considering the price, it's a good deal here. And also, it's 1/400, like I said before. And so I recommend this if you're a Delta fan here, and if you like their old library, I recommend this plane. So yes, see you on my next video.